nobody, not a single animal, nothing we can see while in this road. Just me and Pandit. And let me show you a very interesting thing. And a signboard over here of West Bengal government.
दोस्तों हम पहुंच चुके हैं इस बांकुरा के जंगल में। जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं ये रास्ता है, ये पूरा जंगल।
You can see it's written out here that there are a lot of elephants around here, and this is an elephant crossing zone, and maybe you can find any elephant. So it is a board. So we should drive carefully because anytime an elephant can arrive in between the roads. This is Joypur Jungle. We are standing and we are a little confused where to go, because if we follow this road, then this road, it dissects the whole jungle into two parts, and I have another option. I am following this way because I asked a local villager over here. He said the possibility of seeing wildlife is larger if we get inside in this way, if we follow this way. We are getting deep inside this forest, expecting some wild animals, bird, or you can see if we find one, then it will be my privilege to show my viewers. Even deep inside this forest, we found a tea stall. Maybe it is for the villagers, basically, or travelers like us. My friend Pradeep Pandit, he has been
amazing place.
Yes, truly,
It's
truly,
amazing dense forest.
and truly, we didn't expect a tea stall in the middle of it. Now we will have our, though it's around 4 p.m. right now, and we didn't had our lunch, and we'll have our lunch in the middle of this jungle, and we have brought it from home.
देखिए ये दो हाथी है, वो नहा रहे हैं यहाँ पर। एक का नहाना हो चुका है और एक और नहा रहा है। सूंड से वो पानी ले रहा है, पानी पी रहा है, अपने सिर पर छिड़क रहा है।
These are wild elephants being preserved under the forestry department. You can see the workers, they are helping this elephant to take the bath. The elephant himself, he is playing with the water, and you can see he doesn't need any help from anybody. He can do it himself.
वीडियो चला है ना, वीडियो। रघुनाथपुर बोल के कहीं पर हो गया था।
Well, we're again in the middle of a jungle while coming back, while returning from Vishnupur to Durgapur, and it feels again I'm in a haunted place. Nobody is there.
लाइट जलाऊं?
जरूरत नहीं है मेरे ख्याल से.
लाइट जलाता हूँ.
In the middle of a dense forest. What time is it? Maybe it's 9 p.m. and we got a little late because we took a we thought of taking a shortcut, but it proved to be a long cut for us. And in the middle of this jungle we are right now. Nobody, nothing. This is near Bankura. I don't know what's the name of this jungle. You can see we are taking a little rest. No shops.
आपको हम दिखाते हैं कि लाइट बंद करने पर कितना अंधेरा है. मेरा चेहरा भी दिखाई नहीं देगा. बाइक से कर रहे हैं हम लोग.
Right now what you are visualizing, it is because of this light. The source of light is this bike's headlight, and if I turn this bike's light off, see what happens. Turn off the light, nothing is visible. Oh my god, it's so real scary. You cannot see a single thing. Nothing. Turn on the light. See, this is the situation. No animal, nobody, all alone in this jungle. Maybe where even one thought is coming in my mind. Maybe I think I should not disturb any spirits if something is around us. I feel I'm saying sorry for them, that we are a little tired, so we are taking this rest and we are moving forward again. Oh, there is one bike. Again, no one. The lonely road.
खड़ा होकर करना है. करना है खड़ा.